So here's a short update. We've installed a GMRS radio on it. There's my GMRS antenna. And then we also installed the CB radio in it for trails. And there's the CB antenna, which is removable so I can get in parking garages, which I barely fit. And then I bought a light bar so I can put the off-road lights on the front without drilling into anything. And it's really cool. I'll put the link down in the description. But I had to pull this front cowl piece off right here. And this bracket and that bracket bolted right up to a factory bolt right there. And I'm in the midst of cleaning this little bit of glue off right here, a few spots. And I had to modify the black cowling that goes here because it came too far over right here for the hole to be opened up, so I had to open it up a little bit more. And we'll get that back together and show you more at that point. Alright, here we are with the cover back on. Now all I need to do is put the bar on. And the final result. Obviously I still got to put the lights on. That's the next project. Got to get the lights in to put them on there. But should come out pretty decent. It's going to be real nice. Going to put the lights sitting right about here so I'm not blocking too much airflow with them. Till next time. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.